Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Meta glasses to a Samsung phone. First, charge the Meta glasses before setup and make sure they are fully charged, then turn them on. Next, install the MetaView on your Samsung phone by opening the Google Play Store, searching for MetaView, and installing the app. Then, turn on Bluetooth on your Samsung device by opening Settings, tapping Connections, and enabling Bluetooth. After that, open the MetaView app, log into your Meta account, and tap Set up new glasses. Now, put the glasses into pairing mode by pressing and holding the pairing button until the LED light starts blinking blue, and keep the glasses close to your Samsung phone. Next, pair the glasses inside the MetaView app by selecting your Meta glasses and tapping Connect. Then allow Bluetooth permissions, camera access, microphone access, and optional notifications. The app will complete the setup automatically. Finally, test the connection by playing music, taking a photo, recording a short video, or using voice controls. The media should then sync to your Samsung phone automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.